How to enable live translation on your Samsung Z Flip 7. So first of all, you have to open up your call option, go to three dotted line and setting, then you can see the live translation option. Just enable this option. Now you have to select your language. For example, mine is English and other person is, for example, I need to select Hindi. Press on OK. Now you have to download this language Hindi. So it's now downloading. You have to wait a couple of minutes to complete the download process. Now download is almost complete. Once done, installing Hindi language, it's automatically installed. So you just need to wait a couple of seconds or minute, and you can see live translation is enabled. Now you can mute your voice language and you can select your voice speed, slow, etc. You can check the setting actually. Now let's try to call this person. You can see call is receiving. Now if I press on call assist, then you can see live translation available. Press on live translation. Now let's up क्या हुआ. Then you can see it's translate like that. So that's it. This is a new innovation. So don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.